What's going on, people? I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? I don't know. We're at the greatest tools in the business. Oh, there it is. The greatest tools in the business. Harbor Freight. I just got some stuff. I'm gonna go home and take the power steering pump apart and rebuild it. I got a rebuild kit for it a while ago. Just haven't had the time to rebuild it because I want to do it at the same time as I do the timing belt. So yeah, let's go home. And it's full. Oh, hell yeah. This is working out really well. I don't know if you can tell, but it's been snowing a little bit. It's a little deep. Yeah. Poor car. Yeah, one day it was -2 outside at night, so that's when this guy came out into the outdoors. But it's fully disassembled for the timing belt job. All I gotta do is pull that pulley off, whatever it's called, and change the front main seal, or pull it off so I can change the front main seal. But yeah, all the bolts and everything I need is right there. Yeah, so it's chilling. Oh, and I broke all the cam wiring. See the wires? Yeah, all the cam stuff I kind of broke it a little bit when I was pulling it out. So I ordered new cam sensors, ordered new cam plugs. Okay, so this is still a good one. This one's still not completely chooched, but I'm still gonna change them both. And this is the one that I soldered. Soldered it a while ago, and then when I pulled it out, it broke. So 2 new sensors coming. My tensioner. So this is the tensioner pulley, which is gonna get replaced anyways. That's getting replaced. So not that, but where is it? Yeah, well, the tensioner, the little hydraulic tensioner, that guy gave out. There was no tension on the timing belt. So that's why one of my cam gears was 180 degrees rotated. So yeah, now it's just gotta clean everything up, make everything look nice. But today, we're doing this. We're gonna rebuild this guy. Power steering repair kit. Gates, decent brand. So we're gonna rebuild that today. Bondo Peen. Here we are with the dirty old bastard. Here's the tools you're gonna need. You need a big wrench here. You're gonna need a big one here. You're gonna need some 12s, some 14s. Looks like a 17 maybe. Snap ring pliers. You're gonna need those. Rags, because this shit already. Just gonna take it all apart. And this tutorial ends here. Thank you for watching. What happens when you don't have the right tools? Alright, here's a little update. Got this off. I was like that. Here's a tip that I learned because I didn't do it. Take this off, or loosen this bolt while this is on the car still. That way the belt holds tension on it. Otherwise, this is what I did. Stuck this in here somehow. This guy, I still can't get off. Tried going with the pipe wrench on it, but this thing doesn't, like, I want to put it in like this, but it doesn't fit in my vise right now because, yeah, it doesn't fit. So I'm hoping I can take some of it apart, and then it should fit. I need to buy a freaking torque thingy-majig, whatever it's called. Ugga-duggas. I need an ugga-dugga. Come on. Jesus, fuck, come on. Why? Why are you so fucking difficult? Oh, fuck, dude, it's so stuck. Maybe it's better. That's a thing. And then there's a little thing. There's another thing. Cool thing. That one right on my face. Alright, I guess I'll go to AutoZone. Not much else I can do right now. I gotta read up a little bit too on what to do next. I'm back from AutoZone. Got the right socket now. It's 27mm. So now I'm try to break it off. Still don't know how I'm gonna get this in here though. My vise ain't big enough. Yeah, that was easy. There's gonna be a spring in here. Careful. There's a spring in there. There it is. Probably should have remembered which way this goes. That seems right. Yeah, that doesn't fit. I'll post a link to the tutorial that I'm using for this. It's on LexLS, which is an amazing site. Face. This thing's in there. There we go, finally. This is literally burning my leg. It feels like it's on fire. Okay, so now I have to put a 6mm bolt in there. God, don't you love it when... Fuck. Damn, that shit was stuck. My Rice Krispies okay? Alright, so now I gotta pull this guy out somehow. Or no, this guy first. Here it is. Finally got it out. So if yours is stuck like hell like mine was, dude, I was slide hammering it for like 10 minutes. Heat up this housing. Just heat it up with the torch. That's what I did. Heat it up. Came out first pull. So, pro tip. Because I'm a pro, okay? Because I'm on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, that means you know what you're talking about. It's just how it works. YouTube mechanics degree. Now, we get an extension. We're going to tap that out. Not expecting it to come out so easily. Oh shit. Be careful. Yeah, don't do that. See, there's all these veins. Oh, thank God I didn't lose any. Woo! That was sucked. So yeah, don't do it so carelessly. This is literally it. There's nothing. There's no more pieces. Just gotta go fill a bucket with water. I'll clean this guy up. Is that whiskey? Did whiskey go on a car ride? Alright, I got a bucket of water. I realized I gotta take this out. See, the new one's right there. So, I'm gonna take this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Yep. That's how you do it. There you go. You've seen it here first. Boom. That's out. Here it is, all clean. Took a little while, so I stopped recording. The cap is drying right there. So now we can start reassembly. And yeah, that's it. I think so. Alright, so these four are 29 foot-pounds. The big one is 51 foot-pounds. And these, which don't really matter because they're just holding the bracket on, are 9 foot-pounds. Oh, my neck. Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching, Ding Dongs. Pretty simple process, very relaxing and Lego-esque, I think. Nice and simple. Take it apart, put it back together. Nothing to it. If your power steering pump sounds like a dying giraffe, and I know it does, find all the leaks, And if you still, replaced all the hoses and it's still making the noise, it's probably the pump. So yeah, take that out, tear it apart, put it back together. It'll be good as new. Well, we'll see if this works actually. It's all spinning well and it sounds smooth and everything's okay, so we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, Ding Dongs. See you in the next one.
America, America, America. Do you have your passport? Did you get your job?